This video will explain whether it is possible to AirDrop iPhone to Android and offer you some reasonable solutions to make the transfer straightforward. Way 1. Copy data from iPhone to Android via transfer for mobile easy and fast. Mobican transfer for mobile. This tool facilitates a direct transfer process, eliminating the need for intermediate cloud storage or additional tools. How to transfer data from iPhone to Android via transfer for mobile. Step 1. Attach your phones to a computer. Step 2. Pick the file types for copying. Step 3. Transfer data from iPhone to Android immediately. Way 2. Move data from iPhone to Android using iCloud. If you are an iCloud user or have your photos stored in iCloud, accessing your iCloud account and storage from an Android device is still possible, even without an official iCloud app. Way 3. Transfer files between iPhone and Android using Google Drive. You can use Google Drive to transfer contacts, calendar events, photos, and videos from your iPhone to Android seamlessly. Before the transfer, ensure you have the same Google account on both devices. Way 4. Transfer data from iPhone to Android with Send Anywhere. For a lightweight AirDrop-like experience on Android, try Send Anywhere. This app lets you transfer data globally no matter the distance, using a 6-digit code. It facilitates you to share files between iPhone and Android,